Located in Wanaka, New Zealand, Ruby Ridge House is a modern house has a breathtaking interior with sublime views of the mountains and lake in the distance. The house borders two suburban streets and has a simple, mono-pitched roof and curve-edged, cedar-clad exterior siding. The design of the house allows the homeowners to enjoy their space without the sense of being overlooked. Board-form concrete contrasts with the wood, and both materials spill into the interiors, providing a visual consistency inside and out. The living spaces are configured around courtyards that are sheltered, private, and flow seamlessly from the interiors, with the body of the house providing both a windbreak and a visual barrier. Linked through stacking aluminum sliders, these courtyards are an extension of the living space and can be enjoyed year-round, with a concrete outdoor fireplace. A matching interior fireplace can be found in the living room. In the kitchen, minimalist warmwood cabinets have been paired with a gray backsplash and dark countertops for a contemporary look. The front deck also flows easily from the living area, with the French oak floorboards appearing to merge with the Quila decking. Here's a look at the floor plan that shows the layout of the home.